some of the areas that these companies have in common. It does start up there with design and development. A lot of these are configure to order or engineer to order types of equipment. A lot of it's built around that design and development and being able to take those drawings and being able to do prototyping and having a system that allows you to integrate your product lifecycle management system or your product development system into the actual production system is critical. And IFS has a seamless ability to deal with engineering parts and assemblies and true engineer to order type of solution or a configure to order type of solution. The next step is the demand planning and fulfillment. Sometimes trying to do a forecast of what these types of machines, they're usually very long lead times on some of the pieces. Having an idea of how many you're going to need to build if you have lead times measured in months. Some of these capital equipment manufacturers see lead times that are measured in years. Having an ability to really plan that and make sure you're getting it fulfilled just in time. And then integrated quality management and document control. Quality management is very critical, and being able to do non-conformance handling and supplier audits, having a fully integrated quality management system, not an add-on or a bolt-in or an interface to. Same with document management, the ability to vault and control all of your document revisions and have that controlled in a system, but yet allow people to view them whenever they need them, have them available on the shop floor as they're needed or out in the field. Moving down to that field service product support area, a lot of capital equipment manufacturers have to commission the equipment themselves. They have to go out and do site surveys of where they're going to install, make sure they've got all the foundations they need, the electrical they need. Many of them now have expanded into providing full-blown field service capabilities, preventive maintenance on the equipment. That's another thing that's fully integrated in the IFS solution. And then, of course, planning and production and scheduling and reporting is, the actual main production areas. A lot of this equipment is assembled, but there's a lot of components that have to go into it and making sure that you've got all of that in a good cohesive plan that's visually available. One of the things that's unique to IFS is a lot of these types of capital equipment manufacturers have a project, they're building a new bottling line for a company, or they're building a new ship or a rail car. All of those types of things, they typically can do those in a project, and I'll talk a little bit